Hello everyone. We are going to be solving daily lead code problem given on July 30th, that is Wednesday. So it is 2419 longest subarray with maximum bitwise and. Before starting this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. No goal is impossible if you stay persistent and never give up. In life, every challenge, dream, or ambition can be achieved not by luck or talent alone, but by steady effort and determination. Even when progress feels slow, each small step brings you closer to the top. The key is to keep moving forward no matter how steep the climb seems, because success comes to those who refuse to quit. Okay, so let's understand this problem statement here. This is a medium type problem. Uh, I would say this might also be a good candidate for upper easy kind of a difficulty. So let us understand the problem statement. You are given an integer array nums of size and consider non-empty subarray of nums that has maximum possible bitwise and. In other words, k be the maximum value of bitwise and of any subarray of nums. Then only subarray with a bitwise and equal to k should be considered. Return the length of longest such subarray. The bitwise AND of an array is the bitwise AND of all the numbers in it. A subarray is a contiguous sequence of elements within an array. Okay, so let's consider this example nums here. So the longest possible subarray with maximum AND is first thing that we should quickly understand when we are talking about AND operations, right? So let's say we consider AND operation. Let's look at the AND operation. So this would give us 0 and 0 1. This also is 0 1 0. This is again 0. If both the values are 1, then it's 1. So most of the time we can say when performing an AND operation between two values or entire of this array, we are only looking at the maximum piece of value. So here 3 is the maximum value and these are the two longest contiguous pairs, and the output that we see here is 2. That's what is happening. Similarly here 4 is the maximum value and it can only be seen once in the array, right? So there are multiple ways of solving this. I would go to the Leetcode editor without much explanation to this problem, quickly apply my solution and try explaining it with the code, right? Let me start coding this up. The first thing that I would calculate to approach this problem would be to find the maximum value. Next, I would define two variables to keep track of the maximum streak and also uh, another variable streak. So now I am iterating through the nums array. Now we are also keeping track of max streaks, such that these are the this would increase the value of output. Let's say if there is only one occurrence of the maximum value, then that would be one. If there are multiple occurrences of the two same maximum value uh, adjacent, then we increase the max streak, thereby increasing the output count also. If there is no occurrence, then we move the streak value to 0, and we finally return the max streak. So this is our solution. The time and space complexity of the solution would be O of n, and space complexity would be uh, O of 1. Okay, this should solve the problem. Let's see. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. Hope you found this video helpful. I wanted to keep it very short. Please do consider like and subscribe to my channel. Also, please share me any feedbacks that you wish for me to incorporate in my DSA daily lead code problem solving videos. Right? Thank you.